Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to blur an object in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Then we insert a object in this document, go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture and insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture. Now we resize the picture some small. Then click the picture and go to the format menu. Then click wrap text option and choose in front of text. Then move the picture anywhere. Then click the picture effect option and choose shadow. Then go to the shadow option. Then we can see here menu option. We increase the blur option. Now we can see here we added blur to an object very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.